Just got my stuff from Madisound. Let's do an unboxing. 404 knife not found, so I already had to mutilate the box with a screwdriver. They packaged it really well. Ooh, a bunch of stuff. Let's see. Looks like the tweeters. Yep. Sinar Baja. Let's see what it says. If it decides to focus. Yeah, it says SB Acoustics. It's a 3/4 inch, whatever they call it, Textile Dome Tweeter. Got 4 of those. And then in here, they really packaged it well. Let's see. Well, that didn't work. See, this is why I always have a knife for an unboxing, but of course I didn't have one. There we go. Yay! McIntosh, Aurasound, whatever you want to call them. 5 1/4. I can get it open. Almost. There we go. Says McIntosh, originally designed for the Ford GT. Yep, McIntosh. It's a blue polydome neodymium magnet. Gonna have 8 in the car total, so 4 in each door, 4 tweeters in each pillar, and let's see, where is that? 4 of these in a 4th order wall. It's a Diamond Audio TDX10. It's an old T3. Yeah. Stiff as hell.